Today, I'm revealing the top 5 high-income skills you can learn for free. Skills that could make you rich in 2025. Let's dive in. First up, digital marketing. In today's world, it's not just an advantage, it's an absolute necessity for any business looking to thrive. Every business, regardless of its size or industry, needs to reach customers online. The internet has become the new marketplace, and if you're not there, you're missing out on a massive opportunity. That means ads, search engine optimization, or SEO, viral content, and everything in between. It's a multifaceted field with a lot of moving parts, and companies are willing to pay big bucks for people who can drive real, measurable results. They need experts who can navigate the digital landscape and bring in customers. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree to get started. You can learn everything you need to know online, often completely for free. Take, for example, Google Digital Garage or HubSpot Academy. Both offer free and highly respected certifications that can boost your resume and credibility. You can master social media marketing, craft compelling email campaigns, and dive deep into analytics to track your progress. These are valuable skills that marketing agencies charge thousands of dollars for. And with these skills, you can freelance, work remotely from anywhere in the world, or even build your own thriving business from the ground up. The demand for digital marketing expertise is massive and constantly growing, making it a field ripe with opportunity. So if I had to start all over again with absolutely nothing, this is without a doubt the very first skill I would invest my time in learning. Right now, open a new tab in your browser, check out Google Digital Garage, and start learning something new today. Don't wait another minute. This is your chance to build your very own money printing machine. Next, data analysis, the new gold. Every click, purchase, and view online creates data. Companies need people who can turn that data into smart decisions. Data analysts are in demand everywhere, not just tech. Google Analytics Academy offers free courses and certifications. Learn basics of SQL and Python on YouTube for free. Download sample datasets and practice. If you love solving puzzles and want a future-proof, high-paying career, start learning data analysis now. It's a superpower in today's world. Coding and programming. This is how you build the future. It's the language of innovation, the backbone of our digital lives. Every line of code you write is a step towards shaping tomorrow. Every app, from the simplest utility website, the most complex e-commerce platform, and game runs on code. It's the invisible force that powers our modern world. Developers are in short supply, the demand is constantly growing, and salaries are sky high. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for skilled coders. You don't need to be a genius. Anyone can learn to code. With dedication and the right resources, you can unlock your potential. FreeCodeCamp and Codecademy offer thousands of hours of free lessons. These platforms provide structured learning paths to guide you. Learn HTML, the structure of the web, CSS, the styling that makes it beautiful, Python for powerful back-end logic, JavaScript. Go from beginner to job-ready. Master these languages and open doors to countless opportunities. Build websites that reach millions, apps that solve real-world problems, or even your own tech business. The possibilities are truly endless. No excuses. If you have a computer, you can start today. The tools are at your fingertips. Coding gives you creative power to express your ideas in new and exciting ways, and job security. In a rapidly changing world, coding skills are a valuable asset. The digital world is waiting for you to build it. So take the leap and start coding your future today. For the creatives, graphic design. Businesses need logos, websites, social posts, and more to stand out. Good design builds trust and drives sales. You don't need expensive software. Start with Canva, a free, powerful design tool. Learn design basics on YouTube or Coursera for free. Practice, build a portfolio, and work with clients worldwide from home. Design is about making brands memorable and professional. The world needs more great designers. If you're creative, this is your sign to start. Stop scrolling, start creating. Finally, let's talk about copywriting, the often unseen yet incredibly powerful secret weapon in the world of business and marketing. It's the driving force behind every successful sale, the art of crafting persuasive messages that resonate with your audience and compel them to take action. At its core, it's about writing words, carefully chosen and strategically arranged. Words that don't just inform, but truly persuade people to act, to click, to buy, to engage. Every ad you see, Every email you receive and every high-converting sales page needs a skilled copywriter behind it. Great copywriters are highly valued and paid handsomely for the results they deliver, not the number of hours they put in. Their value is tied directly to their ability to generate revenue. The best part? All you really need to get started is a keyboard and a deep understanding of what motivates people, what their desires and pain points are. You can learn the fundamentals from free blogs and insightful YouTube tutorials created by some of the top copywriters in the industry. Read ads critically, analyze why they resonate with their target audience, and then rewrite them for practice, honing your own skills. The beauty of copywriting is that it works in virtually every industry imaginable. Practice daily. This valuable skill can empower you to make money from just about anywhere in the world. Remember, words sell. So invest the time and effort to master them and unlock a world of opportunity. Those are the top 5 high-income skills you can learn for free. Pick one, start learning today, and invest in your future. No money, no degree, just dedication. Don't just watch. Take action now, like subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful. Comment below which skill you'll start with. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.